Yay!
Hi everybody, we are in the Rastro, which is like a market, I don't know how to say, antiquariato market. I'm gonna put the translation here because I don't know the name in English, because we're going to build our neon sign for our new podcast, Yo también Palabras de Spice. And so we're here and we're going to try to find a frame for the sign.
Here we are. We grabbed this from the rubbish, basically the trash. Rubbish. It was there for us outside of a rubbish bin, and we got it. So you will see what we are going to do with it. Ricky didn't allow me to come in home with this. I need to disinfect them with alcohol before take them in. This is going to be the wall, the back wall of our podcast. It's bigger than it looks. And there we are going to put our neon, which is this one. I mean, this is the frame that we bought the other day, and this is the thingy that we found on the street. Rubbish. I'm going to cut it and to paint it like golden and I'm going to make it old, look old, to make the frame thicker. Okay, a little bit thicker. You will see. Kata, whatever. But as you can see, this is just if I did it with my teeth. So I need to lijarlo. Okay, with this thingy, lija. I don't know the name in English. So I'm not sure if I have it or I have to buy it. And also I need to cut the edges in 45 degrees. And that's it. Well, we are going to paint it golden. And tomorrow, when it's dry, we are going to put on top of it Betún de Judea.
Betunia.
I don't know in English either, but you will see. Black Betún Judaico. I don't know the name of this in English, to be honest. I have no clue. Maybe it's written there, whatever. So this is golden. And then I'm going to put this on. And then I'm going to remove it. And it will look old. And this is the final result. Antique. We like it?
Antigua. In my look at my.
This is embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. People like that.
So yeah, we have to adjust.
Oh, people can see the thing on the wall.
Sergi's face.
No, Sergi's face, no. Beautiful. We bought this neon. It's called Neon Stripe, and we don't know how it works. So we are going to connect it with this other cable. Hopefully that will work, and this one should be connected to the electricity. But because I'm not sure if that's correct, I'm gonna touch it to a power bank first. It has less power, so hopefully it will not. It's not gonna work. It's more power, not bank. Okay. Yeah. We went to a electricity shop.
See,
I think it's called electricity shop where
whatever.
you buy things for electricity. Anyway, we have a problem with the connection between the electricity that's coming from the house to the LED stripes that we bought, because there's no connection. So
no problem. No, we are just trying to figure it out.
Try to solve it. So of course you can pay someone maybe £50 and they resolve it for you, but we don't want to pay.
No, it's not because of that.
DIY.
It's because we love it.
So I want to find a solution. I mean, we did all the connections in our RV years ago, so why I'm not gonna do it in a LED neon light.
You need to put it up there.
Neon light.
Otherwise, you know, my
But-
double chin.
And yeah, so finally we found like a connection. It was €2.75. Let's see if it works. Tonight I'm gonna try it and then we'll let you know if it works. Put the paper on top of this blackboard that we have created. There is with our name, Arif and Ricky, as you can see. And it's not a blackboard, it's a board and it's black, but it's not a blackboard. I'm going now to use this, okay, to track basically the name on top of the blackboard, and then that will be my guide to basically put the stripe on, the LED stripe on. Let's see.
17th, 16th, 18th shower of the day, I don't know. I'm boiling here. Ricky's there. Say hi.
Hi.
Naked, obviously. Actually, I have to be careful. So, this is the drawing of Alice through a window that is going to be behind myself in the podcast. And I'm going to I drew it the other day with a pencil, and today I'm going to paint it with brush, tempera. And this is the tablecloth we are going to have on top of our table for the podcast. I still have to paint this part white, this one, and this one, but I have to wait for this white to dry out because it's a mess. But I will paint it black and that's it. Well, I have to paint a few things black there as well, a bit destroyed, it doesn't matter. But I have to wait for this to dry out to then put more sellotape there, and there to make the squares perfectly right. Boiling, it's fine. Sorry for the noise at the fans and all that. So today, apart from that, because of the heat, I'm doing this. So I drew it first with pencil, and now I'm painting it. And this is the wall that is going to be behind Ricky.
So it's almost midnight and I'm very tired.
We are very tired. I'm doing this.
And I finally
And Ricky's doing this. Look at the mess.
found a
Well,
way
we have
to
a mess. It's just
make everything
ridiculous.
work, but look at that.
Look at this mess.
Yeah. Look
Hey!
this letter of Ricky. I just finished my name. Ricky's done. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the color. Let me. It's kind of eyes blue, and now I need to do the rest. So it's Arif and yay! So I've been working on the neon, and I just need to put the frame, and it's done. So I'm gonna show you what I've done so far. Arif and Ricky, it's ready. And what I've done, I mean, I just put the frame around it, and behind there are all the connections that they've been taped already, and I created this button basically to switch the lights on and off, and this one will be attached to the charger, basically the charger to the transformer, whatever, and it's almost ready. So what I have to do now is only to put this one inside the frame, and then basically will be it. We will see it, how it looks like.
And that's that, isn't it? Do you like
This is the end of the vlog. This is the beginning of our podcast.
This is the beginning.
Of our podcast.
This is the beginning.
So we are ready to start recording the video, and yes, we will see you in the next video. Please make sure that you listen to our podcast. Don't break things.
I didn't realize. Where did you see
It
that?
was attached, I didn't say it. So if you like this video or a video like this, please let us know in the comments. Support the podcast, please watch the podcast. Listen to the podcast, and we will see you
Very
next week.
soon.
We'll
Like,
do another
subscribe,
vlog videos.
vlog.
Photo.
Ciao.
We love you, ciao.